Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a featured product slider on Shopify. I am on the home page of my Shopify website and I am in admin mode. I'm going to go down to online store, under theme, and then I'm going to hit customize. And over on the left hand side of this page, I'm going to go under template. I'm going to click add section. And here I'm going to add a featured collection. So under this section, if you click, here are all the editing options. Right here, I'm just going to correct the name. You can correct the font style. You can add a description. That will show right under the title. You can also edit the description style. And right here, we're going to select a collection. So here I already have a featured collection. And as you can see, it has 4 products in it right now. And be careful because if you just hit the X right here, it does not save. So go ahead and hit your collection and then hit select at the bottom. Right, so here I can show the number of products that I choose. Here you can also select the number of columns you want to show, and that's just based on how you want your layout on a desktop. Right, so here's the most important part. We're going to go to Enable Carousel on Desktop. So now you can see instead of putting that 4th product on the bottom, it makes a carousel. So I have 2 page options. Then down here you can enable that on mobile as well. And here you see I have those 2 pages. And now I'm just going to go back and check my work. So I'm going to hit save. Changes are saved. I'm going to exit. And then over by online store, I'll actually hit that little eyeball so it takes me to my store. And right here you can see that featured collection slider, and it does have the option to go to the first or the second page. So if you want to give your users the option of using a carousel type display instead of just scrolling through products on your Shopify website, I highly recommend a featured product slider, and this is how you make one.